Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis & Company. So in today's video I am going to talk about a very important landmark judgment which comes under the ambit of humanitarian law. So the name of the case is Lubanga case and it is a 2012 judgment. The Lubanga case refers to the trial and conviction of Thomas Lubanga, a militia leader for the Democratic Republic of the Congo, which is the DRC, at the International Criminal Court, which is the ICC. The case focused on the use of child soldiers in armed conflict. Lubanga was accused of enlisting and conspirating children under the age of 15 and using them as fighters in his militia, the Union of Congolese Patriots, during the Lutry conflict in the DRC. The trial took place at the ICC from 2009 to 2011 and the judgment was delivered on March 14, 2012. Lubanga was charged with war crimes, specifically the enlistment, conspiration and the use of child soldiers under the age of 15 in active hostilities. The case marked the first trial and conviction by the ICC since its establishment in 2002. The prosecution argued that Lubanga was responsible for the recruitment and the use of child soldiers as a deliberate strategy to maintain and expand his control over the region. The defense disputed Lubanga's involvement in the recruitment of child soldiers, arguing that he was a political leader rather than a military commander. The trial induced testimonies from the former child soldiers who described their experiences and the role of Lubanga played in the recruitment and involvement in the armed conflict. On March 14, 2012, the ICC found Lubanga guilty for the war crime for recruiting and using child soldiers. It was the first conviction by the ICC which had a significant milestone in the prosecution of individuals responsible for war crimes against children in the armed conflict. Lubanga was sentenced to 14 years in prison with credit for the time he had already spent in custody during trial. The case highlighted the importance of holding individuals accountable for the use of child soldiers, recognizing as it is a grave violation of international law. The Lubanga case set a precedent for subsequent ICC trials and understood the international community commitment to combating the use of child soldiers and protecting the rights of children affected by the armed conflicts. So now I'm just going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this, so you can just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys and have a nice day.